Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're heading into Fauré Le Page. Fauré Le Page has actually opened a store here in Sydney in the city. I'm so excited to go. For those of you who actually live in Sydney, this is a great time for you to go check out Fauré Le Page in person. Let me just sit down and finish filming this intro because it might get really loud when I get to the road. This is Hyde Park in the middle of Sydney City and it is a beautiful day. But anyways, as you guys know, I've been a huge fan of Fauré Le Page for a really long time now. I've had the opportunity to go visit their brand new store last year in Melbourne. So it is super exciting that they actually have a store here in Sydney now. So this video is actually in collaboration with Fauré Le Page once again. Let's head in and check out the store together. And here we go. The store is actually right next to the Louis Vuitton menswear pop-up store. So look how beautiful the Sydney store is. We have the waves up the top.
Yeah, so it's like the
Ocean. Surfboard. And then we've got the Splash collection, which is perfect for the beach. So this is the overview of the store. We've got all the beautiful daily bedals in different sizes and colors. We've got the tiny little daily bedals and some backpacks. The Fauré Le Page yellow themes throughout the store. Saga City collection in the beautiful Jacquard. So we've got the three sizes, 19, 31 and 42, as well as some accessories. So let's try these bags because we have seen enough of me trying the daily bedals already.
This is
still
Jacquard.
canvas? Jacquard.
Yeah.
So it's different
woven,
canvas.
Yes. So every square centimeter has 21,000 stitches.
Wow. How, like the craftsmanship, right?
Yeah.
And the braided handle. Oh, it's actually really pretty.
The blue is really striking.
And it only comes in the blue at the moment.
It does.
So this is the middle size. Very pretty. And I love the reinforced corners. The middle. And we have the cute 19 size. It's adorable. The leather strip is actually different on both sides. One side is yellow. Reversible. And then we've got the size 41, 42. But you know, this is kind of similar to, you know, like the Dior book totes and things, like size-wise, and how it's got the embroidery.
Yeah.
So I guess it's kind of popular at the moment, but yeah, it's massive. If you're looking for a big tote, I think it's a good option. This is the wallet on chain in the embroidered jacquard called Goodnight 25. I love the cartridge case detail on the chain. It's so true to the brand's heritage. It'll make for a really nice evening bag that is compact and fits just your phone and your cards and maybe a lip gloss. And then we also have a beauty pouch in the jacquard. It's such a cute little pouch. Be able to fit sunglasses, glasses, or little makeup items. Perfect for a catch-all. And then we have a compact wallet as well in the beautiful jacquard. So this is our little jacquard collection. There is a phone bag in the lineup as well called Call Me 12, I guess because you put your phone in it with 2 credit card slots as well. So this is a pretty casual, compact crossbody bag just for your phone and credit cards. It'll be a really nice bag to run your errands with. And then we have the mini Daily Battle tote, size 19. This one's a little bit different than the other Daily Battle totes with the braided handles. It's got 2 compartments that are open and a zipped compartment in the middle where you can keep, items that you want to keep secure, like your card holder, your keys. I love the slightly different details on this mini version of the Daily Battle. It even has metal feet. And the shoulder strap is also reversible on this one with the navy and the yellow on the other side. So trying on this mini Daily Battle 19, it is a really good size for a mini bag, and it is just adorable as a crossbody bag as well, small enough to sit well as a crossbody. Of course, now I have to try on the Splash beach bags since I live in Sydney and all. So most of the bag is in that PVC material, so it will be waterproof, but it does have leather strap and some leather details, so I wouldn't get that wet. The pineapple is just so adorable. This is such a bougie beach bag. I would absolutely love to have one since it will fit everything that you need on a beach day out. But Sydney weather hasn't been that great this summer, so maybe I will take a rain check for next summer. So in the Splash collection, we have 2 sizes of the Saga City designs as well. So this is the 31 size. This one has a lot more leather details, so I wouldn't actually use this as a beach bag because of all the leather parts, but it still is a really nice summer bag. And then we have the adorable little size 18 as well in the Splash line as well. Now I have to try on the night belt bag. I love the Fauré Le Page green. It is such a deep green. It's got a front compartment that is slim, and then the back part, which is a zippered compartment, is a bit larger. And it looks so cool worn as a sling across your chest as well. Here we have another wallet on chain style, which is a really nice compact night evening bag as well. This one's a little more compact than the other good night one in the Jacquard, but the price point is a lot better since it is in the coated canvas. I just wanted to compare the colors on the coated canvas versus on the embroidered Jacquard. You can definitely see how striking the colors are on the Jacquard. The yellow just stands out so much, and all of the different shades of the blues and the navies just pop so much more on the Jacquard. I am really falling in love with this Jacquard. It is just such an intricately crafted material. I am loving it. Then I got to see the limited edition camo version of Daily Battle. So this one, there are only 150 pieces made in the whole world. So it is pretty special. How cool is the Daily Battle with a touch of the camo? It's such a cool take on the Daily Battle tote. Another casual crossbody bag that I absolutely loved is this Cartouchier bag. I am probably completely butchering that name. I don't speak French. It's got this cute little mirror section at the back. And again, I'm really loving the green from Fauré Le Page. Such an effortless bag. Hey guys, so it's another day. I came back to Fauré Le Page to pick up the bag that I put in the order for, and it's arrived from Melbourne because Sydney was completely sold out of this amazing bag. If there's some background noise, excuse because there's a lot of cars and it's raining today, but I am so excited to be sharing this amazing new bag with you guys. So let's open it up and see. I'm so excited to be opening this with you guys. So the amazing ribbon as usual, and inside of the bag we actually have a couple of little cards and a little illustration book that tells you all about the Fauré Le Page history and the craftsmanship. They're just so cute. And then we have a little card. How cute is that? And then there is another card that actually actually has a little thank you note and also a little bit about their materials. Just love how well everything is presented. And now the exciting part, let's get into the actual box where the bag is. And it's just super special that I get to unbox this in the amazing Fauré Le Page Sydney store. So yes, let's get into it. I just love the yellow ribbon against the navy, and the gold is just so classic and beautiful. As you can see from the size, it is a pretty small size. If you watched the first part of the video, which is the vlog part, closely, you might be able to guess what this is. To show you guys, I chose the Saga size 18 in the Jacquard material, which is this beautiful, intricate woven material. So I just wanted to show you how intricate the scale motif is in the Jacquard material. There are actually 21,000 stitches per square centimeter, which is just so tightly woven. So apparently this material is very durable. It won't pull very easily because it is just so densely woven. So there's just something so special about how this material is done as opposed to, you know, the normal canvas, the coated canvas material that we commonly see. So how cute is this little bag? And you can also pick a charm of your choice. So I chose the Lucky 7, which I think complements the bag really, really well. And of course with the charm, you can pick your own charm. You know, they have so many different charms that you can choose from, as I showed you from the original Melbourne video. So yes, you can personalize the bag and make it completely your own. And what I especially love about this bag is the woven handle detail in that navy leather. And I just absolutely love these gold metal reinforced corners. It just makes the bag look a lot more elevated, a lot more luxurious. Not to mention, it'll make the wear and tear on the bag so much better because it will prevent the corners from wearing down. And let me give you a quick tour of the bag as well. So it just has a little flap closure. As you guys have seen already in the first part of the video, it comes with a fully detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. And inside is one big compartment and a little card pocket, which has that yellow accent, which is just so cute. I am so excited to actually start wearing this because I think this will be the most perfect day to evening bag. It is technically a mini bag, but it does actually fit quite a bit. You can actually fit your phone in there. So I've got the iPhone 12 Pro in the normal size, not the max size, but it fits really comfortably and you'll be able to fit quite a few things in there. If you have a look at the silhouette of the bag, I'd say that it is a very similar silhouette to something like a Lady Dior bag, but it is a much more fun sort of a bag. And what I love about this is that, like I always say about Fauré Le Page bags, they are a little more niche. You don't see them everywhere. I just like how unique these bags are. But if you really know Fauré Le Page, you would really appreciate the craftsmanship and the design features. So I can definitely see myself rocking this for so many occasions. You'll see me rocking this on Instagram. I will put up photos with different outfits, but I just love how different this bag is. The other thing that I really, really love about Fauré Le Page is that they are quite reasonably priced for the luxurious quality that you're getting. This full embroidered jacquard is just one of those really luxurious materials, and for that you are actually getting quite a bang for your buck. So yes, definitely recommend that if you do live in Sydney, come into Fauré Le Page and check the store out. You'll be able to see all of their beautiful bags in person. Also, if you want to make an inquiry about anything, they do have a store email, which will be the best way to contact them. So I'll leave the store email on screen. You can also call them. I'll leave the store phone number on screen as well. But yeah, before I go, let me quickly show you what the bag looks like on me once again. So that is the bag as a handheld bag. How stinking cute is it? And it fits over your hands and wrist quite easily as well. So that's what the size looks like on me. And then that is it as a shorter bag. It falls at a really good length for me. I just love how shiny the gold corners are. It really makes the bag look a lot more elevated, and you can also make it really casual by wearing it as a crossbody bag. All three ways look really, really cute, and no matter how you wear it, it is actually a very comfortable bag to wear. So yes, this is my brand new bag from Fauré Le Page, which I'm really excited about. Thank you once again to the Fauré Le Page team for having me and for this amazing opportunity to work with the team. And if you haven't already watched my Melbourne Fauré Le Page vlog, I will leave that video on screen for you to check out, and another video where I feature Fauré Le Page on screen as well, since it is one of my favorite brands. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!